Hi to everyone. AMM School of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, online classes, subject Automotive Electronics, unit number 4, Engine Management Systems. So last class we discussed with the automotive software. That is, we have different software for analyzing the data. Okay, that means we need to execute the different values on the different modules. Okay, so in this class we are going to discuss about electronic control unit ECU. So controls one or more car functions. That is type of electronic control circuit, airbag, that is ACU, airbag control unit, engine control unit, transmission control unit. 70 to 100 ECUs inside the car, nearly as many of the inside Airbus in A38. So microprocessor based electronic control system we are used in the cars, that is automotive vehicles. So this is the ECU and its interfaces. So in this condition, we have power, debug port, CAN port, flux ray port, digital and analog input output port used in the electronic control unit. So this is the sample electronic control unit we are used in the car. There is a Freescale board EVB 9512XF. So in this unit, we have power, CAN controller, CAN port, a reset button, debug port, microcontroller, that is CPU plus memory, LEDs, digital and analog input output ports, flux ray port. This is the bus, connects individual ECUs. Example, CAN, flux ray, 12C, IEEE 802.11p. So this is the different buses we are used in the communication between the two process outline. So functional domains. So functional domains, network architecture of a car, requirements for function realization. So like that, these are the different outline for the engine control unit, the electronic control unit. So requirements for function realization, also referred to as non-functional requirements or extra functional requirements. That is timeline predictability or timing requirements functional, firm or software timing requirements. Non-functional can be treated for others. Example, a bit later, but much cheaper to realize. Dependability, maintainability, that is ability for software to undergo modification and repairs. Scalability, the ability to scale a metric with the changing architecture. Example, maintainability will decrease when increase number of PCs in a car and yet security. Timelessness requirement. That means when car crash, there is no time for the execution of the process. So we need a high-speed network and high-speed software to detect enable the safety system like airbags. So like that, we need to work in a fraction of millisecond or a nanosecond. We have to work on it. So these are the time requirements is a very important process. That is example, inflation of an airbag. So real time is not equal to fast. The word real time fulfill specific time required. So this is the concept of process. Example, software controlling the deployment of airbags has 15 to 40 milliseconds to determine which and in what order to active. Specification, lower and upper bounds on the response time. Metrics, worst case response time, tardiness. Dependability requirements. So specification in 3 dimensions. Availability, that is the readiness for correct service. Availability, readiness for correct services. That is metric probability of the system being ready to use. Mean time to failure, mean time to repair. So availability, that is MTTF and MTTF plus MTTR. Reliability, continuity of correct service. Metric expected time until not being available. So safety, absence of caterpillars consequence on the user and the environment. Dependability requirements in 2005, Toyota recalled the 1060 1,60,000 hybrid because of software causing car to stall and shut down. Fix requires 90 minutes per car is equal to 2,40,000 man hours. In 2008, VW recalled 6,500 cars because of software causing unexpected increase in RPM when air conditioning is turned on. The controlled system must remain safe because the hazard states unreachable. Example, extremely high temperature. So even in enormous condition, safety must be maintained or no error exit. So certification approved by the independent agency. That means the maximum fire will be defined by the car. Security, when the system is open to external observation and control. Example via internet. So confidently, integrity and non-reputation. So validation of privileges, authentication, authorization. Secure protocol to make installation impossible. So this is the concept of electronic control circuit unit. That is the main unit in the process. We have for each of the sensor or each of the subsystem having they have ECU unit. Okay, these are the main requirements of the process. So without the ECU, we have different kind of ECU in the same model because some of the system has a main required, so some of the second or secondary required. So we need a different concept. We need a different models. We need to execute in the vehicle. So we need a different function and realization for the execution of the electronic control unit. So this is the model. If we fix this is the controller, what we are using for the each subsystem. So these are the digital and input output ports are defined the number of devices connected between this model. So also CAN network wires also they can connect it. Then reset button, reset pin, debug port, microcontroller CPU. Already we know that every ECU having separate CPU and memory. Okay, every microcontroller CPU plus why we are using the microprocessor. That means here we used for the process of analyzing the data. For example, if you connect this system to the suspension, what is the level of suspension in the process means the microprocessor will analyze the data. What is the previous data? What is the current data? So then it will send to the information to the main controller, which will give the command to the sub microcontroller for executing the values. Okay. So for variation, the suspension values. This is a concept we have used in the electronic control unit. Okay. This is the compact of ECU. Okay, this is the concept of electronic control unit used in the vehicles and automotive devices. Okay, thank you. So we'll see in the next class.